your time to Miss B?
Yes. Hello, children. So there are 3 parts for this project, but we're gonna start with decorating and drawing like the earth, okay? So we can paint, leave it to dry up, and then we'll do the next activity, okay? All right. I'm gonna go around and give you the materials. And for the children at home, Ethan, Brianna, Carlos, and Jeremiah. Can you hear me? Okay. So I'm gonna go around. Jeremiah and Carlos, take the paint, the blue and green paint. We're gonna need a paper plate. And since you guys don't have the brushes, what you can use is you can either use your finger because the paint is rewashable, so it's okay, or you can use a Q-tip. So ask your mom or your dad, whoever is at home, if they can give you 2 Q-tips. Good? Gonna give you 1. Gonna need this. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm going to need this here.
Yes, it's already been signed. So you're good. Jeremiah.
I did good in with Miss
Let's
Leone.
put this What was that, Carlos?
I'll use my hand.
Okay, that's fine. Do you have a paper plate? Carlos, do you have a paper plate in the paint?
I'll look for a paper plate.
All right. Carlos, can you find the materials that Miss gave you, please? Use those. Let me
I have
know.
the paper plate.
Already, do you have the paint too?
Miss B?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, I do.
Okay, awesome. Ethan, we need the paper plate. Oh, actually, you weren't able. Okay, do you have any paint at home?
So I would take the paint out of this bag.
Yes. So yeah, you're just gonna stick your finger in there, and you're gonna paint. Right? I'll go over the steps in a little bit. Ethan, do you have some paint? You don't have any paint? You can use colored pencils or you can use crayons, okay? We need blue and green. That's all we need. All right, we're gonna do an activity right now. Thank you.
Do we do it? Or not now?
No, not yet. I'm gonna give you instructions in a little bit, okay? Just gonna pass around the paint for the other students too. You're welcome. I'll put the pencil away. Here you go. And here you go. Okay. Alrighty, everyone has a paper plate, brush, and paint, right?
Yes.
Good. Now, Jeremiah, do you have a paper plate and the paint?
Yes.
Awesome. Ethan, were you able to find the crayons and colored pencils?
What color do you want?
We're gonna need blue and green.
Blue and blue.
Yes. Carlos, do you have the paper plate and the paint? Yes?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, so I'm gonna give you the instructions now. We have the brush, the paint, and the paper. For those who don't have the paint, like Ethan, you're gonna use the color pencils. And you're gonna try to do the earth. This is an example, but you could do it your own way. Use your creativity.
Okay.
But you do need to use green and blue, okay? So you just, for the children at home, since you don't have a brush, you're gonna dip your finger in the bag, and you're just gonna go around like that. You see? You're just gonna have to paint it.
the color.
You're gonna try to make the earth. So you're gonna use green and blue. Yes, the front of the paper plate, like this.
Okay.
Already. So are we ready to start?
Yes.
Carlos, are you ready?
Yes.
Jeremiah, good?
Yes.
Okay, you can start. And you can do the same thing. Just use your brushes. Yes. I'm gonna give you some paper so you can clean the brush. Okay. There you go. Awesome. Thank you. What do we say to Leila? Thank you. Right? Good. So you can start. You have to do the earth. So just be creative. What do you mean?
Does it have to be like the same as yours?
No. It's an example. You can do the earth whichever way you want it to do. Use your creativity. All right. But we need to be quick because we have another activity after this too. So you can try. Yes. So use the blue first, and then you clean it, and then you use the other one. You said one. You can start with the green one or the blue one. Let me put this down for you, okay? Good job. Okay, so once you finish,
Are we doing it, Miss?
we're doing it right now, Carlos. You can start now.
So what are we doing?
You're coloring the earth. You're using the paint that Miss Hobbs gave you, and you're trying to do the earth now.
So what is the paper for?
The paper, we're gonna use it later, not right now. Just focus on using the paper plate and the colors.
Can we start now?
Yes, you can start now. So for the children who have the brush, right? If you use blue and you want to use green, you have to clean it, right? Because then it's going to change the color. Carlos and Jeremiah, do you have some paper, like paper towels or something that you can clean your fingers?
Yes.
Yes? Good. Already. I'm going to go around and check, okay?
I don't think I got the hang of it.
That's okay.
Sitting in here.
Okay. It's washable, so it's going to come off if you put it in. Just be careful with your clothes.
This will not be good.
I went over
And now it's time
the
for
try.
Yeah.
Now I'm done with greenie.
What I noticed with him is when I do the sounds,
Okay, now trying to add
he gets it quicker than when he just sees the letters there. Good job. Very good, Kellen. You're doing great.
I need more blue.
I'll give you more. Just you have two. So whenever this is, you finish using that, I'll give you some more.
Ooh, look, it's teal.
Yes.
I don't really like that color.
Very good, Mishmaya.
Oh,
They don't want to be sarcastic.
I don't really think about. I'm the one with sarcastic.
Awesome.
Like, you know. I have cake.
I made the best earth.
It's not about being winning. It's not.
Yes.
never said
It's not a competition. We're doing our best.
I was being sarcastic.
Right.
Look, see? That's the best herb.
I know.
Continue. You have to clean it. So you're gonna use. This is what you do. That's why you have the paper. You clean it up, and then you use the next one. Okay. Very good, Helen. You're doing great.
Oh my god.
Be careful with your clothes. If you have, look, put your sleeves up so you won't.
Well, I wish we had this little
Let me see.
Hey,
Very
you
good.
guys do this up in this side? These?
Yes. You have to color everything.
The whole can do another one.
No. So we're trying our best, Carlos. It's okay if it's not looking perfect. I just want you to try and do your best, okay?
Okay.
Just be creative. You want to show me how it's looking?
Oh my god, the tape.
Yes.
Let me see.
I covered the tape.
I'll have to move my shoulder because I can cover with tape.
Oh man.
Oh, okay, that's okay. You can show me later then, okay?
I still got it. Actually good. Only got good. I can take it off my hand.
Jeremiah, how are you doing? Can I see yours? How's it looking?
I got it.
The lion go.
Oh man. Washable identity.
Jeremiah, I'm not able to hear you. You have to mute yourself.
Oh my god. You're a disaster.
Very good.
Paint.
Put my hand in the paint. I need to add.
I don't want paint on the computer.
It's that, Ethan, is that a paper plate? Or are you using the paper?
I'm using paper.
You don't have a paper plate?
No.
But that's okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Bailey, you need to go give me another pip tap.
Jeremiah, can I see
How do you
yours?
spell disability?
Wow, it's looking very nice.
Look at my dad. Good big.
Keep it up. Good. Why? You're doing good. It's looking good. You could always continue decorating it. You have a lot of space. You could put more paint.
colors.
Yes, you can. You just use more. Look. If you put more here, there you go. Now it's more green. It's looking good. I like it. That's okay. It's rewashable paint, so it's gonna come off. We'll clean afterwards.
I made the best earth, guys.
Sarcastic. I'm being sarcastic.
Jacob, let's focus on our work, okay? Later on, you can share.
Wait, is this a good earth?
Yeah. You guys done activity. There's not one way to do it.
I gotta put because when I put the green over it, looks like showy. And I have ink on my arm, Miss B.
It's gonna come off. We're gonna go later on to wash your hands and everything.
Am I done?
Very nice.
Oh man.
I'm kind of messed up over there.
Yes, be careful with your clothes, please. Be very careful.
Good.
No, it's not. It's not.
Doesn't look finished.
Whoa.
Is it finished or not?
It's up to you. Do you want to put more color or that's good?
Maybe I can do it a little.
A little more? Alrighty. Very nice.
This green is not dark enough.
To make it, I'm trying to make it different.
I need to make
Alright.
Why do you want to make it Oh, God.
Now that's clean.
I hope I have more green left. I need to take a whole shower.
Very nice.
I'm gonna throw this in the garbage.
Yes, you can. And you can use more paper to clean that up. Wow.
I got an idea. What I see, if I swoosh this around.
Just put it right here. Very good. Great job. Good.
It just seemed like yours is not cool.
Let me see the brush. Go wash your hands. Thank you. Good job. Awesome. So now we're gonna move on to the next part, Ethan. You don't have this, but I'm gonna give Miss Hobbs, so whenever your parents come here, they'll
Tell them to write it in.
since you don't have this, you're gonna need a piece of paper, okay? And you're gonna write what I'm gonna put in the board in a little bit. And when your mom or dad have the chance to come to the school, they're gonna get this, and then you're gonna rewrite your sentence here, okay? And we're gonna put your drawing in a piece of paper plate too. We're gonna glue it. So you don't have to copy this. This is just for the children at home, okay? You're gonna put the heading. Wow, Brianna, that's really nice. Very good. Ethan and Jeremiah and Brianna and Carlos. We're gonna take a piece of paper and we're gonna write the heading, right? Your name, the day, St. Joseph, and the grade. We're gonna write one sentence. So are you able to see this? You're gonna write the heading, and then you're gonna put the title at the top of the paper. I can help the earth by, and you're gonna write one sentence of something that you can do to help the earth. Sounds good? Awesome. Now I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna give you one of these papers for each one of you. This is for you. So, this is for you. And we're going to take out your pencil, okay? This is Jacob. This is yours, Ryan. Helen, this is yours. Try to write a sentence. I'm going to help you, okay? Of something, or a way that you can help the earth by. This is for you. This is for you, Miss Maya. Alea, come. Your name. Print your name and then do the sentence, please. Can you raise your hand? Everyone has a piece of paper? Good. All right, you can start. Yes, Ethan.
Are you going to use like a paper to write this down?
Yes, we need a piece of paper. Okay, this is what they're using right now, but since you don't have this, you're gonna use a piece of paper, and you're gonna write. And you're gonna write one sentence. Well, before writing the sentence, you're gonna copy this. You're gonna put the heading. You're gonna put the title, and then you're gonna write a sentence. Okay? Sounds good? Alrighty. Okay. Do you have a pencil? Do we have a pencil?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you spell nature?
N-A-T-U-R-E. Yes. Don't forget to put, huh? Clean. So clean. C-L-E-A-N. I'll be right there, Layla. Give me 1 second, okay? The earth. The. How do we spell the? Awesome. How do we spell earth? Great job. Very good.
Protect.
So by, so you can put the Y, right?
No, protect.
Help the nature.
Protect the ocean.
Oh, okay, you're gonna write another sentence? So what do you need after every sentence? The period, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so protect starts with what letter? Protect. With a P, right?
Yeah.
R O T E C T. Protect the and then earth, right? Good job.
I wrote, how can I help Earth? Throwing garbage in the right place.
You wrote that in the paper?
Yeah.
Very good. That's a really good way to help the earth, right? By throwing the garbage where it's supposed to be. Very nice, Carlos.
Making people know the mistakes they've made on Earth.
Mm-hmm.
Like we have to know the mistakes you put garbage, and there's a lot of garbage around the world.
Yes. Very good, Carlos. Ethan, are you done with your sentence? Brianna, are you done with your sentence?
No, I was trying to ask.
Yes, tell me. Yes. Now, did you write something there? It could be just one sentence.
What sentence?
Yes, of how you can help.
What is it gonna be?
You can write anything. Anything. Anything that you can do to help the earth. Jeremiah, are you done with your sentence? I'll be right
Yes. Save the earth from other things like earthing, dangerous things.
Very good. So it says, I can help the earth by. So what's something that you can do to help the earth?
I don't know.
Think about something that you can do that can make a difference. It could be anything. Picking up garbage, recycling plastic, be anything, right? Okay. Just one sentence. So what do you want me to help you write? What? Okay, I can help the earth by picking up garbage. Good job. Now, can you trace that for me, Kellen? And very good. Good job. Very good. Awesome. So once you can go to the bathroom? Yes, you can. We're done. Yes. We're finished. Yes. You did a great job. I'm very proud of you, and I would love to see all your creativity once you bring it in person. Okay? So let it dry for tonight, and tomorrow we'll staple it. Okay? I'm gonna begin with these two items. I have an apple juice that's worth 65 cents. Okay, so we're gonna write down, well actually let me put the title first. So we're gonna write math addition, and underneath that we're going to write word problems, okay? So for number 1, we have an apple juice that's worth 65 cents, okay? For an apple juice, right? And we have a cereal box for $3.50. So that's a little more expensive.
That's a cereal box.
Yeah. What's your favorite cereal box? Raise your hand.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Me.
Who says cinnamon? Ayan?
Wait,
Good.
I don't say that.
Alaya, what about you? The same? Wow. Hanaya, yes.
The honey cereal.
Oh, those are really good. What do you do when you finish your cereal? Cycle it, right? Good job.
Mine is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Well, yes, the plate you put it in the sink. But what do you do with the cereal box when it's already empty? You throw it away, right? Good. Okay. All right, children.
Miss B, you didn't copy it down yet.
That's okay. We're writing that right now. So we're gonna solve this, and we're gonna wait. You're gonna hold on to share your answer. We're gonna wait for a little bit, and then I'll ask you. Okay? I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes. It's an addition.
I didn't copy it down yet.
That's okay. That's okay. Don't forget to put the dollar sign. Yes, Miss Shamaya.
I can't see.
You can come over here and write it here. Huh? You're good, Ryan? All right.
That's a lot of numbers.
All right, who's ready to share?
Not me. Not me.
Ian, what's your answer?
$4.15.
Okay, now you don't have to copy this. This is just to compare, okay? $4 and how much? How many cents?
15 cents.
And 15 cents. Good. 15 cents. Good job. Who else is done? You're done? What's? Oh, you need me to? Okay. Just 1 second. Okay, just give me 1 second, okay?
Just like apple juice and a number. Yes.
April 28. No, for number one, it's 65 cents for an apple juice, okay? That's the price for an apple juice. And we have $3.50 for a cereal box, Kellen, okay? So you can use these to add, all right? So let's do this one for me. Who else is ready to share? Raise your hand. Yeah. Good. Okay, so we can solve it now. How much is 5
No, go ahead, finish.
plus 0?
I'm doing a lesson with Miss B.
5, right? How much is 6 plus 5?
11.
So what do? You put the 1 and then where do you put the other 1? Good. How much is 0 plus 1?
1.
1. And 1 plus 3 is how much?
4.
4. Awesome. And now what do I do with the period? I bring it down, right? Good. So $4.50. So if you were to go to the store, and if we had, if these items were the same price, you would need $4.15 to purchase these two, right? All right. Did everyone copy this so I can go to the next problem?
Yes.
Just, Alea, you can come here. Right? It's made of carton. Where do you put it? You would put it in the glass, paper, or plastic?
Which one is the recycling one? Which one is recycling?
All of these 3 bins are for recycling. Would you put it in the paper bin, glass bin, or plastic bin?
I would put it in the paper.
Awesome, very good. Yeah, so you sometimes they have separate bins like for the cartons, but sometimes you could put the paper and the cartons together in one. All right. Now we're gonna do the second one. We're gonna have, let's see. We're gonna have a glass of jam, right? A jar of jam, and a light bulb. So this one, the light bulb is worth $2.25. So $2.25 for the light bulb. Now you guys were learning about compound words, right? Is this a compound word?
Yes.
Good job. And the jump jar is $4.20. I didn't just wait until I call your name so you can share your answer, okay? You ready? So you don't have to copy these parts. This is just so we can compare. Elia, what do you get?
$6.45.
$6.45. Good job. What about you, Leila? You're not finished yet? Okay. Ian, do you have an answer or not yet? What's your answer? Okay. All right, very good. I'm going to give you a few more minutes. Very good. What do you do with the period? You have to put the period down, right? Got to bring it down. No, over here, after the 4. Good job. Now, I'm going to write number 2. $4.20, right? Okay. How much is 5 plus 0? 3, 4, 5. You have 5. You can do that. All right, so let's do it together. How much is 5 plus 0?
5.
Good. How much is 2 plus 2?
4.
Good. What do we do with the period? We bring it down, right? Good. And how much is 4 plus 2?
6.
So how much do we need to purchase a light bulb and a jump jar?
$45.
Awesome. Good job.
Yes, because that'll be a money test. I gotta give it to him tomorrow now.
Oh.
Because,
Now, Justice, come here. It's your turn to recycle. Now, where do you think the light bulb goes? In the glass bin? In the glass bin, right? Good job, Kellen. Now let Justice do this one. In the jump jar? Where do you think it goes? In the glass too, right? Good job. Awesome. Are we ready for number 3?
Yep.
Everyone, yes? All right. Now for number 3, we have, let's see here. We have a newspaper that's worth $6.10.
Oh my God.
It's a lot of money, right?
That's a lot of money.
Yes.
How did newspaper get so expensive? You have to buy newspaper. I need a lot of money for that.
Well, some magazines and newspapers are very expensive. time.
It was BULB.
And we have a water bottle for $1.
Good. Mm-hmm.
That's even more. Oh wait, no. $1. $1. Let's give it to them. Why do you have to pay money to get?
Okay, so you can solve this one, and when you're ready, we can share. I'll go around to check. You can do number 3. When you're ready, raise your hand. Awesome. Very good.
Did you do your words in ABC order?
Great job. Now we have $6.10 for a new
000
Yes, we do. Awesome. Just give me 1 second so I can
8
help,
0 0
Helen,
1
okay?
was 0 1.
$1 for a water bottle. Just give me 1 second. Sure. Okay, you can do this one, Kellen, okay? All right, Alea, what did you get?
$7.10.
Let's see. We have 7 and 10 cents. What about you, Layla?
I'm doing it.
Okay. Justice.
$7.10.
Awesome. Looks like we have the same answer. Ian? 7 and 10 cents. Okay, let's solve it together now.
Hello there. How are you?
What is 0 plus 0?
0.
Good. What is 1 plus 0? 2 or 1? 1.
Yes, you did.
Okay, and how much is 6 plus 1?
7.
Good.
I'm looking over there.
So it's $7.10, right?
Yeah.
So that's how much it will be if you go to the store and purchase a newspaper and a water bottle. Now, now Layla, come. Now this newspaper is damaged. Some juice was spilled in it and it's ripped. What do you do with it? Do you recycle it or you throw it away?
You recycle it.
You sure? It has juice, it's broken. It's not in good condition. So what do you do? You just throw it in where?
You throw it in the paper bin.
If it was in a good condition, you would throw it in the paper bin. But if it's not in a good condition,
You would throw it away.
yes, good job. And where would you put the water bottle? Plastic, paper, or glass bin? In the paper?
Wait, no. Not that.
Plastic, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Very good. Let's see. Let's see if we can do another one.
Here were your words from ABC order. So you can finish.
Let's do. Now we have. Kellen, what was your answer for number 3?
Aren't these the old ones?
Yeah, you didn't finish ABC order. You only did it 12
$7 with how many cents?
10.
Good job. Very good, Kellen. Now let's do number 4. We have a pack
And that
of
was the second
paper
one last
for
year.
$1. Pretty cheap. Because it's usually more than that.
That's good.
And we have.
Did you write your religion in your religion tablet?
Actually, let's change it. Let's put it a little bit more challenging.
I gave you a religion pen,
No, wait.
and I said for you to write the seven.
You think it's
All of us are back to turn 8.
You can't do
All of us are back to turn 8, so we can.
Okay, it's $8 with 36 cents.
Yes!
Plus a carton of milk that's worth $2.75.
Woo!
Okay,
I was not thinking.
now we can solve this. I'll be right there, Kevin. Yes, I know you don't drink milk. Awesome, very good. Now let's do number 4.
You okay?
$8 with 36
Tissue in the bathroom?
for a bag of paper.
I gotta bring some more napkins for you.
Plus.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, sweetie, just give me 1 second. Of milk. Now you can stove this. Stove this for me, Kellen, okay? And then you can share your answer. Okay, Alaya, what did you get? $11.11. Just okay. Good. And Ayan, what's your answer? And 15 cents? Okay. Layla, yes.
$11.11.
Okay. You said 51 Ayan, right? Okay. All right, now let's solve it together. How much is 6 plus 5?
11.
So we put the one down and what do we do with the other one?
Carry it.
We carry the one, right? How much is 3 plus 1?
4.
And how much is 4 plus 7?
11.
You sure?
Yeah.
Good. And how much, Kellen, how much is 8 plus 1?
51 plus 8 plus 6 minus 6.
You have 8, right? Plus 1 is how much?
7.
Use your
7.
no, 8 plus 1.
Show me 8 blue ones. Show me 8 blue.
9.
9. Good job, Kellen.
Oh, okay.
9
has-
and 9 plus
he
2
has
is
improved.
how much?
11.
Good
So
job.
proud of him.
Awesome, kids. You did really, really, really good. And that's how much it would be if you purchase a pack of paper and a milk. Helen, come here. Actually, this is damaged. Where would you put the carton of milk? In the plastic,
I have a different one.
paper, of glass?
I have this one.
Sure, you can use that one. Where would you put the cereal box? Paper, glass, or plastic? Paper, right? Good job. And what else? Choose another one. Okay, and where will you put the newspaper? In the paper bin, right? Good job. Thank you, Kellen. You guys did wonderfully.